Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to make these scrunchies. It's so simple and look nice and so soft. I hope you like it. It takes so less yarn, so you can make a lot of with a ball of yarn. And you can use any kind of velvet yarn. Actually, you can use any kind of yarn you choose. It's not, you don't have to use a velvet yarn, but it looks good like that. I think with a multicolor yarn, it looks also good. You can try this. And if you try, please share it with me too. I like to see it. And for this one, I will use a velvet yarn again, and it's this yarn. There is no size, but you can use any size of yarn. I think that's size 5. And for this, I will use a band, hair band, like that. I leave this one yesterday here, and you can see these bites on it, cat bites. They played with this, I think. And you can use 5mm or 5.5mm, like I did here. And that's all. If you are ready, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and let's start. I will start with a slip knot. Take the hairband and insert here, grab the yarn, make a single crochet. Hold this yarn like that. We will work around this yarn and hide it with this way. And we will make single crochets around this hairband. Insert your hook here, grab the yarn, pull it, yarn over and pull through from 2 loops. I made 1, 2, 3, 4 single crochet, 5 and 6. For this row, I will just make single crochets, and it will be good to make the single crochets multiples of 6. I made 6, and I will start again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If you don't see this elastic band here, then it's okay. You can make it like that. Don't make too many. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And keep going like that. Just make multiples of 6. I'll see you at the end. I totally made 36 single crochets. And into this first stitch, insert and join with a slip stitch. Chain 2. This does not count as a stitch. Insert into same place, same stitch. Grab the yarn over, pull through, yarn over and pull through. That's a double crochet. And into same place I will make one more. Into the next stitch make 2 double crochets. Into the next stitch make 2. Into the next one make 2. And I will just make 2 double crochet in every stitch. I have 36 single crochets as I said before, and I will have 72 double crochets at the end. And I will just complete them and turn. I complete double crochets and into this first stitch join with a slip stitch. Then chain 1. Insert into same place and make a single crochet. Yarn over, skip 1, 2 stitches into this third stitch. Insert and make 5 double crochets into same place. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Skip 1, 2 and into the third one make a single crochet. Skip 1, 2 into the third one, make 5 double crochets. Skip 2 into the third one, make a single crochet. It will look like that. Skip 2, make 5 double crochets. Skip 2, make a single crochets. Just turn around like that. I'll see you here. I made the last one and join from this first single crochet with a slip stitch. Then cut this yarn, hide the tail. And that's it. I hope you like this short tutorial. If you like, please don't forget to push the like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Scrunchie Crochet is my Instagram, Pinterest, website address, and Facebook also. You can reach me any of them. That's it for today. Hope to see you again. Have a nice day.